my name is Miss Rochelle and I work at the Spring Valley Library. Today we are going to do a fun little project where we're going to make some balloon poppers. And with this balloon popper, you can do all kinds of fun things and it'll take up lots of your time during all of these times. So let me show you what it's going to do. Uh-oh, I didn't catch it this time, but we can try again. So the items that you are going to need are a plastic or paper cup. You can use either, it doesn't matter. In my example, I'm actually going to use two because these plastic cups are very flimsy, and so it works a little bit better and the balloon stays on with two. So you're also going to need a little pom-pom, or if you don't have pom-poms, you can use a cotton ball at home, and a balloon. So to get started, what we're going to do first is we're going to take the balloon and we're going to stretch it out a little bit because it makes it a little bit easier when we put it over our cup. So let's stretch out the balloon, and then what we're going to do is take some scissors and we're going to just cut a little teeny bit off of the top, because what's going to happen is we're going to stretch it over the bottom of this cup. So you can see that I just cut a little bit of it off. Now, have your parents help you with this. So they're gonna poke a hole at the bottom of your cup, and then you can use your scissors and just cut the entire bottom of it off. It doesn't take a lot of effort because, like I said, the plastic is pretty thin. So, all right, so we have that cut off. I already did a second one for mine because, like I said, the cups are flimsy, and when I had tried it before, the balloon made the cup collapse. So you might want to use two. So what you're going to do is where we put the hole in, we're going to stretch it out a little bit, and the part that you blow into the balloon, what you're going to do is try and center that in the center of the cup. Let's try this again. And you're going to just stretch it over the cup. Now sometimes it will pop up, and if that happens, just try it again. And now we have our balloon popper. So if you take your cotton ball or your pom-pom, you can just put it inside, and you're gonna hold on and then just gently pop it, and you can try to catch it, or if you want to be silly, you can do other things as well. But let's see if I can get it. Yay! Have lots of fun in your adventures and have a wonderful day. We'll see you at the library when we open. Hi again! So I thought that it would be fun if I get some of my coworkers to come in and do it with me. So come on in, guys! Yay! And let's show them how much fun this can be.
Yeah, poppers!
Are we ready?
Yes.
Let's count to 3. 1, 2,